this goes all the way back into my childhood. I mean, I got into engines. Did all my own lawnmowers, had my own little lawn cutting service. So my little entrepreneurship was working at that time.
I'd been looking for an opportunity to get into motorsports, get into the motor side of business, get into the automotive business.
My business partner James and I had met through a broker where he was interested in buying my business. I was kind of interested in selling.
I got a phone call from my broker and he said, hey, there's a guy you should talk to. Go out, have a conversation, and start talking with Rusty about his vision, his way of doing things.
And we realized the potential between the both of us pairing up.
Even in that first conversation, it was obvious to me that this is somebody who has a passion for what he does, somebody who has a depth and breadth of experience in the motorsport world that I will never come near.
I've been around doing this stuff for almost 32 years, professionally. We both had the same goals, and the foresight was in the same direction, except he carried certain areas that were his strong points, and I had my area, my strong points.
Lo and behold, we found that, that this could work. And it really does start with that core ethos of we are here to serve passionate performance owners. That manifests itself in lots of different ways. The best equipment available for alignment, the best equipment available for dyno, the best lifts available, surrounded in a top-notch facility with the best people.
I've worked anywhere from Toyotas to Ferraris. My resume is very diverse.
We don't have a club membership system here. We don't have a select list of clientele. We welcome passionate owners in regardless of what they have. And that could be a $200,000 Porsche owner. That could be a $20,000 Focus RS owner. But they care about their car and we want them to feel welcome here.
Well, I think the joy goes back to being part of being family, because it's a joy to work here. Family is everything at the end of the day.
We believe that by creating a family atmosphere with our team enjoying what they do, that will come through in the work that they do.
Because if everybody knows what's expected of you and you're part of the family and you're not afraid to ask questions, they're going to be a professional without even asking.
It's not something that you just fake. It doesn't work. You know, we all laugh here. We all have some great jokes that we tell on each other.
When you find people that have that same direction and drive, it's exciting, so you want to be part of that.
I worked in the oil field for many years. So oil field's a very tight-knit bunch, but here it's more like, you know, your second family. We do make it a point to where we do feel like we're at home. Things are very relaxed here, it's very candid.
Environment and atmosphere here is great. You know, everybody, jokes, laughs, have a really good time, but we definitely still get a lot of stuff done.
We all work hard. We're all very proud of the work that we put out, and we can handle about anything that comes through the door.
You know, it's like a winning sports team. You know, when you're winning, everyone's happy and everyone's working together, and that's what we want.
You know, some people just look at car repair and they forget that you are actually taking somebody's life in your hands. Professionalism and a care and respect for what we're doing here is a part of everything we do. That attention to detail. We have different pricing models available for different customers who have different needs. If you are a customer who is very strapped for time, we have full service turnkey packages. We can get your vehicle, bring it to the shop for you, provide all the service necessary, get it perfectly clean and all the way back to you without you having to get overly involved in that process. If you have a longer project, we have an approach to that will serve you well by progressing through on a monthly basis with whatever it is we have going for you. The customer here, that owner here can expect that this group of people shares their passion for their vehicle.
I've never been this happy in my life where we're going with this. It's unreal. It's almost surreal to me at this point. Very surreal.